In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add music to a game in Roblox Studio. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, before we get started, I did want to let you know that I just launched my ultimate Roblox game dev template. So if you're trying to make your own Roblox game, check out the Gumroad and Etsy links down in the description. Not only does it help with the channel and it supports us in making these videos, but it's also going to help you make the perfect Roblox game in a step-by-step process. Now go ahead and open up Roblox Studio, and once your project is open, you need to make sure the Explorer panel is visible. If you don't see it, go up to View and toggle it on over here in this View selector, and then of course turn on Explorer just like so. Then you're going to see Explorer right here. What you need to do in here, and I recommend just searching for this because it's easier to search for, is just go ahead and type in sound service just like so. Once you see sound service, go ahead and hit the plus button right next to it, and you're going to see a bunch of different pages pop up just like so. You need to go ahead and just choose sound. Then it's going to pop up in properties and you're going to see the sound section over here. As you can see, sound is right here, parent sound service. You need to find the sound ID option right here. And as you can see, it's going to look something like this. You then need to go to the creator store and you could just go over here and find it and just find this audio tab over here. But you can also access this on the Roblox website. Go ahead and find an audio that you want. For example, let's just go ahead and go into electronic, right? Find whatever it is, let's say this one, and it's going to automatically paste in here. Then from here, you could go ahead and preview it if you want and listen to it. Make sure everything sounds good. As soon as you go ahead and do that, you can adjust the volume. And then what I recommend doing is hitting play and then just testing and making sure everything runs perfectly in your game itself. So you guys shouldn't be able to hear this right now because I think I have the audio muted, but it is playing. And that is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.